Good morning. Well, good afternoon almost. It's like 11 a.m. I was gonna wake up for sunrise this morning. I didn't do that. I wound up sleeping in. Night before last, I slept right by the ocean, but it was right off the highway. And yeah, there were semi-trucks passing by at all hours of the night, so I wound up sleeping really bad. So last night I decided, since I found a really quiet spot, that I was just going to sleep in and catch up a little bit. So I'm kind of tucked up in the trees. I can see the ocean off in the distance. It's really lovely. But I'm about to go down to the beach now and go hang out down there and do some exploring and make some lunch / breakfast, see what I can find. So, oh, it's such a beautiful day. And it's so nice to be out of the rain for a change. That was a nice campsite. It slept like a baby. Cycles of growth and decay, utopias. It's very windy outside. Like insanely windy outside. I think I'm gonna hide in here for a little bit and make some breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever. I was gonna go on a run, but it's just like, yeah, incredibly windy, so I might do that later on in the day.
Please be transferred to the next available reservation specialist.
Alright, got my brunch. So it's just like some greens, eggs, manchego cheese, parsley, avocado, bell peppers, scallion. We got these little veggie breakfast sausages. They look really good. So, like for the past couple of years in particular, I've been just feeling excited to make food and cook, and it's just like it's become this sort of creative process, I guess. It's like an art form. You get to, you can, if you want it to be anyways, you can match certain foods for their colors. You get to mix the flavors. You get to put it all together at the end in this sort of like final art piece, and then you get to eat it, which is like the best part. Welcome to my mid-meal ramble. But yeah, also just kind of on that note, like I love the idea of pouring creativity into everything you possibly can in your life, even if it's not like a traditional creative outlet, art form, whatever. I think that, I don't know, life just, it's almost like you get to create this giant art piece that is your life, and everything around you is like a product of your creativity. I don't know. I think that's really cool. Like for a lot of people, cooking is just a means to eat. It's not a means to have fun and be creative and express yourself. But I think if you can restructure your relationship with like food and with other parts of your life, and you can turn them into a creative pursuit, then you'll enjoy them a lot more. At least I enjoy them a lot more. Yeah, it's just, I'm rambling. I've been hanging out in here for the last like hour, I think. It's still incredibly windy. In fact, I think it's gotten windier, but I'm gonna go on a run. It's gonna be wild. A longer journey than I expected. Bye. Well, I'm proud of myself. That was pretty intense. I forgot how hard it was to run on sand, and that with the wind, and also it was just kind of longer than I thought it was going to be. There's a spot that I wanted to go for sunset, but I remember there being like a foot wash shower station thing at this park on the way, so probably gonna head over there, just wash all the sand and like salt off my shoes, and then head to that other spot for sunset. There was one of those semi trucks that kept me up the other night. It's actually a little cold out there. Layer up a little bit. Check out this this bag that my friend made. I was gonna use it to carry my second lens down to the beach. It's so cool. This is the friend that I'm going to see in Portland. He just like started sewing one day, and now he makes really cool stuff. Gotta get the camera. I always start to feel really strange when I haven't been by the ocean in a while. I think that has a lot to do with growing up on the water. I grew up on the coast in Georgia, and yeah, just any prolonged period of time that I have away from the ocean, like in winter when I go into the desert, I always just start to feel just like a little weird. So I'm not really sure where I'm going right now. I just decided to start driving north. I'm meeting some friends of mine a few hours north of here in 2 days to go camping at one of the state parks. So I figure I'll get a little bit of that drive out of the way today, and then a little bit out of the way tomorrow. And I don't know, maybe I'll end the vlog right now. I don't know. I think most of tomorrow is just going to be spent editing. And yeah, if it is, thank you guys again for watching. And I'll see you